Hey gang, just want to give you a quick video, quick unboxing. The reason I got these are brackets that are going to allow me to hang up stuff in my shop a lot better. So let me just unbox these real quick, kind of just give you my initial reaction of these. Looks like there's installation instructions that come right here with this, so that's nice that there's steps to take and the support on what it, how well it could support things. Let me see what else comes with this. Looks like we have, oh wow, I wasn't expecting these, but these are some straps that come with these. Um, so you can strap things on there, and there's plenty of brackets. So you have different kinds of brackets that you can use when you're. I'm actually going to put these into wood, so I think I just need these wood screws right here. The standard Phillips head right there on there, but you can bracket these into the wall, into cement, and so you have different kinds here. And let me just undo these real quick, show you these. This is really cool. It's out of here. These are the ones I think I'm gonna use primarily because I have a weed whacker, a couple weed whackers, and these are gonna help them to sit up there nicely and kind of be more secure in there. And these are just some really sturdy brackets that you can, put into the walls. Then you have this bracket. Oh, this is cool. I like this bracket. So this is a bracket that you can have like a hook, and then it can swing, a swing hook, and then you have the smaller brackets. So you can put bicycles on here, another swing bracket on here. And then the small two-prong brackets right here. Those are cool. And so yeah, I got plenty of those. Got the large prong, the large ones. I think actually I may use, I don't know. We'll see what I use to attach stuff. But it has lots of brackets here with this, and even a way to secure stuff in there. I guess when you're putting stuff up on the wall, if you have, this plastic is really sturdy. Open that. There we go. All right. So there we go. So yeah, these are Velcro straps, and you can hook on to stuff and secure stuff down using these Velcro straps. That's really cool to have those as well to secure stuff to the walls. So yeah, I definitely recommend these. These are really well built. I could tell they can hold a lot of weight on them, and these are to protect things from getting scratched. So it's not going to scratch up, but if you have like wood or something like that that's holding up, there's plastic sleeves on these. So I definitely recommend these.